Hey everyone, it's Mara and Grace here today. And today we're going to be doing a review of Baking with Grace. This is a kit that was on sale from American Girl a few years ago when Grace was still out. They still have it for sale on purchase and clearance for a discounted price, and I got it recently and I'm super excited to open it up and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like on the front and on the inside here. So first off, you have this with a little oven mitt, some bags, and I can see some other papers in there. Then on this side, there is the book for Baking with Grace. They just have it attached normally, like they put a little sticky piece of tape here to keep it attached in, and then it comes with instructions on how to make all sorts of baking themed crafts. So the very first thing that comes in here is this really adorable oven mitt. It's red, pink, and black, and it has this adorable bow pattern and then some fancy stitching on the side. It's made out of a very sturdy fabric. Again, I think it's pretty high quality, and I'm really excited to try it on Grace. So this is what the baking mitt looks like on Grace. It's a bit of a snug fit, but it won't fall off, so I'm happy. It does fit her with kind of enough room to spare. It was just a little difficult getting it on. So, and then the next things are these patisserie bags. Whoops, I'm holding that one upside down. So this is what it looks like on the back, and then it just folds out like this. It's made out of pretty sturdy paper, halfway in between normal like computer paper and poster board or cardstock. I think this is really cute, but the only thing I think that could be added to this is maybe like a handle, something that would really add the finishing touch. The next things are these two little baguette bags. These are much thinner than the original bags. These are made out of like just computer paper or something. You could probably make this yourself. So I already used two of these. These are bands for a baker's hat, and then beater strips, which it shows you how to make a mixer or beater in the book. And then I wanted to show you, this is what the chef's hat looks like when you're all finished, and then you use these bands at the bottom, and then you can use tissue paper for it. I thought it was easy to make. Once I figured it out, the instructions weren't very clear on how to make it. So the next thing are these two pieces of paper. This has some doilies. You can almost see it. Yeah, you can see a little bit on the camera. I think these are really cute and would be great, especially if you added like some flowers on top of them along on the table with them. And then you have more doilies with a little bit of a fancier pattern around the edges, and then here are some French flags so your doll can, celebrate with them, and I think these are really cute. I'm excited to make some for Grace's Bakery. Next thing we have are this paper. This says that it's labeled for ice cream cones, which they show you how to make in the book. And the next thing we have a punch-out newspaper, which is actually in French, which I think is adorable. And then we have some little table tents, so you can make with macarons and then some ice cream on them. This is also made out of fairly sturdy cardstock, unlike the past few things. And these have some really adorable recipe cards, another punch-out box, and a La Patisserie sign. Next we have a paper. This is made out of a sturdy cardstock sort of thing, and this is donuts and a donut box, which is adorable. Next we have some papers. This is kind of like magazine paper, so it's a little bit sturdier, but honestly I wish it was made out of a sturdier paper. We have a baguette poster, and then there's an ice cream poster, which I also think is really cute. We also have another poster, which again is made out of magazine paper, and I wish it was better. So there's a cupcake and a macaron, which are great. I think they're adorable. Then we have some hot cocoa labels, bread labels, and then some labels for jam, along with number dispenser labels, and then a chef's coach badge. I really like the detail to these. Again, these labels are in French, which I think is a great detail that they added. Next we have a cardboard sign. So you can actually write on this with cardboard. It feels like cardstock. And I can't wait to use this. I think this is a really great, fun thing to use in Grace's Bakery. And then last but definitely not least, we have this paper, which has quite a lot of things. First off, it has a boulangerie sign. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. Glass and First Street Family Bakery signs. And then they have some really adorable doll-sized business cards, which I can't wait to use. I think these are so cute. And then we have a kitchen timer. So overall, I really love this set. I think American Girl has provided a lot of fun details that really help Grace's world come to life. I would really recommend it. I think it's still in clearance at American Girl, so you can go get it there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in a new video. Bye!